Hello guys, JD Tech again. So what do I tell you that there is a way your OBS can work directly to your WhatsApp? Yeah, this is going to be a quick video. It's going to be a very short video with a lot of solutions in it, because this OBS connection to WhatsApp is a problem and we are going to be solving it. While we are solving it, we are going to be cancelling other external cams like Manycam. We are going to be cancelling other external cams like Split Cam. We are going to be solving this issue today with OBS directly to your WhatsApp. So the very first thing we are going to be doing is downloading your OBS. Now, immediately you are done downloading your OBS and it's open like this. It might not be open the same way because I have some window captures here, but immediately you download your OBS and it's opened, then you go straight to the description of this video, which has number one, the resources you have to download is on the description of this video. It also has the videos of very good pro deepfake softwares and also videos explaining Avatarify, the installation and the usage on that. So in case you have had issues with any of this, you can check out those videos. Now straight up, let's go to these resources you have to download. The very first one is the Droid Cam drivers. The second one is the Droid OBS virtual output plugin. Now, while we're doing that, I want to quickly introduce you to quickverse.io. Quickverse.io is where you can get your scripts, you can get your resource, any kind of digital resources you're looking for, RDP, scripts, Instagram followers, Facebook followers, comments, and so on and so forth. You can also get a very quick website. So Quickverse is quick, it is fast, and it is very efficient. So let's go back straight to our video. So first of all, you download these two things. Once you download it, I already have them downloaded. Once you download them, you install them. There is no dancing around the installation. You just have to click on it, then follow the prompt, yes, install, and install until they are done. You do that for the first one, I do that for the second one. Immediately you are done. If you were installing and you had your OBS open before, you close it and you reopen it again. So what we're doing now is reopening this OBS. So that's after the installation of those two files. Yeah, so we are reopening the OBS. You are opening your OBS when you already connected your deepfake software. When you want to try to stream or something, you already connected your software to this OBS. So that's when you're opening. So remember, the first thing to do, very important, start virtual camera. Then you come to tools, you come to Droid Cam, and you make this active. Very good. So now this is very active already. You don't have to do what I just did here. Don't confuse yourself, please. So we'll come to WhatsApp. Once we're in our WhatsApp, we'll go to settings, we'll go to audio and video and voice. On Skype, maybe it's audio and video. So we'll come here, Droid Cam, we select it, and that is all. So if you're having issues with this WhatsApp, it is solved. Now, if I was able to solve this thing for you, drop your comments, let other people know that it's working, share these comments and like. Thank you very much. If you also have issues with your deepfake, you have issues, or you're trying to look for something better Avatarify, check the description of this video and look at those very premium software. You can't find them. Thank you very much for watching. This video is strictly for educational purpose. Thank you very much.